Yo, what's happening, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. I don't actually have a camera for today, but I will have one tomorrow. Hope everyone's doing well. It's been long. I've been away. I've been in Durban for quite a while now, and I just took a little bit of a break. Um, but yeah, what's good, Darren? Yeah, I'm actually coming next week, Cape Town. Um, yeah, I'll be there next week in Cape Town. So yeah. Right now I'm in Durban, but we'll be there next week after New Year's. Cool. Hope everyone's doing well. We're going to be trading today, guys, same as usual. Getting back into the swing of things. I've actually been doing a lot of meme coins, actually a lot. So yeah, it's been good. But anyway, let's get going with the market. Like I said, guys, the market's not looking too great. There's a few levels you can see right now on crypto bubbles. Not looking too great. So we're going to be obviously looking at some different types of trades that we'll be looking at for the week, and also potentially today. Like we could even look at some shorts for the day. Yeah. So if you look right here, it looks like everything's pretty much down except for AI16Z. And I want to speak about this coin just now because I'm actually looking at an entry for it on a pullback. So yeah, everything kind of in the water. On the daily, it's not looking too good. If we look at the monthly, you can even check on the monthly here. What a weird month we've had, right? For December, right? Because you can see a whole bunch of coins are actually down like 30 to 40%. Like WIF down 43%, which is crazy. Brett's down 46%. Like these are the coins that I'd be looking to accumulate. Like Brett is down 46%, guys. So that is a coin that is something you should look at, right? Down 46% on the month. And we all know Brett's going to do really, really well in the new year, just based on the fact that it's one of the best meme coins on on base, and everyone knows about it. Like it's everywhere, right? So it's gonna be the leading token on base. So I'm definitely buying. Well, I did actually buy some yesterday. So basically, this is something to look at, guys. All the coins that are down a lot, and you know they have potential for the bull run for next year. We all know next year is gonna be crazy, right? So these are the coins you should be looking at, guys. This is a great buying opportunity. BGB, which is Bitkit's token, ripped 254% today. I've actually been checking that. I don't know what's happening there. But yeah, I mean, to me, this just looks like a beautiful sale, right? It looks like a sale. It looks like something that I want to get involved in, right? So I bought too high. No worries. So yeah, looks good, guys. So let's get straight into Bitcoin. Like I said in my title today, crypto crash, and it's a potential, guys. And the reason why it's a potential is because Bitcoin it's lost trend, right? First of all, it's lost trend. That's the first thing, right? And the reason why we know it's lost trend because it was in an uptrend over here, and then what actually happened? We broke down to create a lower high, and right now we have broken this point of control, right? So this point of control gives us the opportunity to know that if we are trading below this point of control, we are probably going to be more on the bear side, right? Because that means that the sellers have more control than the buyers, right? The point of control just shows where the most traded volume is for the range, right? So for the range, we know that this level here at around about 97. Let me give a little mark there. 97 over here, 97 169. That is the level that obviously we need to start getting back above in order for Bitcoin to start being bullish again, right? It just makes perfect sense, right? So right now we have the value area low, where it's also a very, very high volume node, right? So if price had to potentially take out this low over here, then I'm looking to short it back down to that 77 level, right? We all know there's a CME gap there. A lot of people have been speaking about that gap for quite a while, and there's a potential that it can definitely come back down there. What's happening, Hunter? Hope you're doing well, brother. Thanks so much for joining in. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, we basically looking at some charts here, guys. If you guys are new to the stream, we basically day trade every single day. I actually came back today. Been on a holiday. I think most of you guys also had some holidays, so we are back. And yeah, we're looking at some potential setups. We are looking at some potential setups here, guys. So basically for Bitcoin, guys, I'll be honest with you. If we lose this level here, guys, if we lose this level here at 90,500. I'm afraid to say we're probably going to come a lot lower, right? So what we can do is we can look at the heat map, right? We want to see what's happening on the heat map to know if these levels are actually valid that we are looking at, right? So the heat map basically shows you where all the liquidations are. So the liquidation heat map, right? So it shows you where people are putting their stop losses, where people are longing, where people are shorting, and you can see right over here, guys, 91,500. That is the area of interest right now. So that is, there's going to be around about 57.78 million liquidation at that level, right? So we know that that level is going to be one of the magnets for us for the day. So we want to go back to the chart and we want to see where that is, right? So let's put it over here. Let's put it over here, right? Right over here, 91,500. All right. So this level, you can see we tapped it yesterday, right? We tapped it over then, but you can see once we take out this low, I honestly think we're going to come down a lot lower, guys. So just be careful today. I think, like I said earlier, guys, with the markets, I'm thinking of a smaller dip here, maybe potentially a little bit of a dip, and then we're going long. Okay, so I will be looking at some shorts for the day. What's happening, Chinaka? What's happening, Mario? Hope you guys are doing well. Thanks so much for joining back again. Yeah, like I said, I did take a bit of a holiday, but we are back. We'll be streaming every day from today. So yeah, it looks good. I think the markets is primed for a bit lower, guys. It is primed for a bit lower. Yeah, I mean, basically, we do have this right over here, which is quite interesting for Bitcoin. This would be a bullish sign for Bitcoin if we can potentially just break these highs over here. So this is on the 4-hour time frame, guys. But honestly, on the 4-hour time frame, you can check. I'll point it out for you guys. We are creating these lower highs, right? It's quite evident that we are bearish right now for Bitcoin, right? So this is all on the shorter time frame, right? So basically, for me to actually go to be bullish, we do have to just get above these levels here, and definitely above this 91,160, right? The reason why that level is so important is because that is the point of control, and we spoke about that earlier. So, yeah, honestly, that is the bullish scenario, but I am looking at the more on the bearish side, guys. I'll be honest with you. It's looking a little bit dark over here, and honestly, like the altcoins, guys, what's happening with the altcoins? We haven't even had the altcoin season, which is a little bit scary to me. I think we're probably gonna have it probably February. I'm looking at February because I think what's gonna happen is, obviously with the market right now, when Trump actually starts on the 20th, we all know that this was pretty much priced in. So I don't think we're going to see a pump until after Feb, potentially, guys. Just stating facts. So, we are going to just be on the more of the cautious side going into the Jan. Just be careful. There might be a bit of a shakeout. But yeah, I do think that we have this area of interest for Bitcoin a lot lower here, right? Which will be ideal. I mean, that's a perfect retest of those previous highs. So I will be looking at a 77 to 75,000 Bitcoin potentially. Yeah, we'll see. What's happening, AJ? What's happening, bro? Yeah, I just took a bit of a break. I left Dubai. I came to see my family in Durban, in South Africa. So yeah, I've just been chilling here in South Africa for a bit, and then I'm gonna go to Cape Town next week. Gonna take my streaming stuff there, so I'll be streaming in Cape Town as well. Yeah, but we are back. Just took a bit of a break, and the markets hasn't been too great. You know what I mean? So I've actually been trading a lot of meme coins, guys. If you guys want me to go over a bit of a meme coin, what I've been doing, I'll show you guys. It's been kind of crazy. Been making quite a bit of cash on the meme coin side. I've actually found a way, and I'll give you guys a bit of a strategy for meme coins. If you guys want me to go over meme coins now and how I make cash, let me know. Because I honestly, like, the market's a bit boring, and I want to show you guys my strategy for meme coins, because I've been literally just been doing that for the past 20 days, just meme coins, guys. Pump fun, and yeah, let's take a peep at the meme coin side of things. So are you guys keen for that? All right, so I'm gonna show you all the tools I use, and then also I'm gonna show you there's three wallets, guys. There's good morning here from Arizona. Let's get the memes. Nice. All right. So basically, guys, we're gonna go over a bit of a meme coins. I think the market's a little bit flat right now. There's nothing. We normally take trades, but it's nothing's. I've been looking at the market today. I've literally just been looking at memes the whole day. But anyway, so I'm gonna get it going with memes over here. Just give it 1 second, okay? Just need to get the tabs open because I didn't have it open, but it's all good. There we go. All right, so we're gonna check over here my history. All right, so basically I've been using a couple of things. So the first thing is obviously we have to. I'll show you all the websites that I'm using. Okay, so I'm just opening all of them up at once, so then you guys can check. Yeah. Let's open it. Bang. So this is obviously text screener. Just hold on. I'm actually puzzling a little bit, yeah. Just give it 1 second. I can't find my history. I don't know what's happening. Oh yeah, yeah. So there's a couple of things. There's also this. We're gonna go over the how the bubbles work. We're gonna go over everything here, guys. Just give it 1 second. All right. Okay, so first things first, guys. So what I actually use, I use Phantom Wallet. I use Bullex as well. Yeah. But first things first is you have to understand with meme coins. I started with Pump Fun, right? And I honestly got destroyed. I'll actually show you what happened. So I used Bullex. I didn't do too well with Pump Fun because it's really risky compared to what I'm doing right now. So basically, all I've been doing is just tracking wallets, right? I've literally just been tracking wallets. So Pump Fun got a little bit crazy. I wasn't too good at it. I tested it out with a little bit of money because I was trying to copy what this one guy was doing. So basically, the strategy was you have to wait for the dev to sell and then you get in. So I did that, but yeah, I got smacked. It was a little bit, most of them are rugs, so it didn't really play out. So then what I was trying to do is basically I've been doing a thing called tracking wallets, right? So I'm using this website called GMGN. Okay, so basically, guys, this website allows you to track wallets, and it shows you instantly when they buy and when they sell. Okay, so this wallet I've been tracking, this guy has 100% win rate. He has a total P&L of 113K in 7 days. So this guy's really he's really good when it comes to trading meme coins. So he's the type of wallet that I want to be tracking, right? So what I do is I grab the wallet, as you can see, and then you just paste it in the top over here. So you just paste it in the top. So you just copy over here, paste it in the top, and then what you can do is you can actually just have this here. So I just leave these open, and then what you can also do is you can link it to a Telegram bot, and I'll literally tell you every single time this guy takes a trade, it'll send you a notification. So this is the one wallet that I'm tracking right now, and I actually got into this play over here, a DGPU, and I still think it's a good player. So this guy obviously made a lot of cash on this play. You can see he's been selling 5K, 6K, 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 5K. So it's been kind of, this guy's quite a whale when it comes to memes. But yeah, this website, guys, GMGN is probably one of the best websites. You can do a whole bunch of things. You can do copy trading. I actually tried copy trading, and I lost on this because basically the slippage is way too hectic for meme coins. It just doesn't work. And then it has new pairs. It has meme coins trending, everything. What you're holding. So it's a really this was the copy trade that happened, and I decided not to do copy trading and then just follow wallets. But honestly, I've just been tracking 3 wallets, guys, and for the past I think like 1 week, I'll actually show you my profit and loss. Let me show you guys. Bang. Okay. So if I paste my wallet and see, you can see, oh, say Crypto Monk. Yeah. So for the past, yeah, it's like not bad. Like the win rate's not good, but the actual P&L is really good. So I basically just cut my losses really early and then just leave my runners. So this has just been for the past 7 days. I've just been trying it out, like 2K in the past 7 days, which is not too bad. Just because also I only go like $100 to $200. Um, yeah, I'll share the wallets with you as well, of course. Let me just grab them. I've actually got them in my notes. Give 1 second. Yeah, so I'll show you guys because I wanna see if we can maybe get a trade as well. So these are the 3 wallets over here. I'm gonna post them in the chat just so you guys have them and you guys can track them as well. The one guy's very active. So the one's wallet that I've sent you, no, it sends it all at once. Just hold on. My bad. Just ignore that. Actually, I can just delete that. Delete that. So that's the first wallet. This is the second wallet. We're gonna go through the wallets now as well. I promise you guys, this strategy works really well. I've literally just made like 2.2 in the last 7 days just using this strategy. All right, so those are the 3 wallets, guys. So we're gonna go over them quickly because I want to show you guys how this works and what I actually do with it. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so basically, what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna actually we're gonna copy the DFM guy. So this guy's actually really good. His win rate, I think, is a little bit lower. I think it's like an 80%, but 80% win rate is absolutely crazy. So this guy, sorry, 92%. So this guy over here is crazy, guys. So he's made 2.1 million in last 7. I don't know when that is. 7 days, and then this was his. I think that's his. Oh, his unrealized profit is 90,000. His token average, yeah. So this guy's really good, guys. And look how often he trades. So I literally kickers. I didn't get into kickers. I was sleeping at this time, I think. Well, no, I went to gym this morning, so that's why. So actually, I want to show you the coin that I did buy from this guy. This Pope coin and Lewis did really, really well. You can see over here, like last night I bought. Where is it? Baby Smith did really well as well. Rex, that was the one. So he actually, I copy traded this guy, and he bought this coin for me. But he actually made money. So this it just shows you the slippage just doesn't work unless you have like a Mev bot or something. Anyway, so let's have a look at what this guy's been doing. Basically, we can see every single trade, guys. He's making some type of money. Like here, Salo. So he made 500. He made on this one. He made 380. This one he made like 220. Pretty much every trade he's like in the green, except for a couple. He does cut his losses really early as well, which is quite good. This KM was actually a good setup. I was looking at this as well today. Let's have a look here. I think he didn't make too much over here, but I saw a lot of. Actually, I followed this one guy on YouTube, and he actually bought like literally over here and sold at 1.7. So literally, guys, like the problem is with this, like you have to be very active. You know, you have to. So like for the past 7 days, I've literally just, been trading this the whole time. So I've had this open the whole time. Is there any bots you can give us notifications what they buy? Yeah, I'll send it in the chat. Which networks to use? I only use Solana, guys. I literally only use Solana. The reason why I only use Solana is because that's where most of the meme coins have been made. And all of these big whales I'm following are actually only trading Solana. So yeah, you'll find some meme coins that these guys are trading. You would have to come to Pump Fund. So you would have to come to Pump Fund, right? But I like using Phantom Wallet. It's really nice. Phantom Wallet. It's really easy and quick. Or you can also just get a bot on Telegram. Let me get the name of the bot quickly. I'll send it so you can actually just instantly buy as well if you just copy the address. Let me just get it. So basically, you can use Pump Fund. You can use Phantom is definitely the best. Honestly, I think Phantom, it feels clean. Obviously, the update's a little bit annoying because it doesn't really update like perfectly, but yeah. All right, I want to show you guys something quickly. So I want to show you this Harold play that I did. I actually posted this on my Twitter as well. I literally bought it at like 2 more market cap. Let me show you guys. I'll even show you on my P&L here. There we go. So if I click on Harold, yeah. So you can see all my buys over here. So I've added 2 more buys over there. So I think Harold's going to be massive point. I think Harold's going to do really well. It's literally only like a 22 million market cap right now, but it's honestly, I'm still holding quite a bit of this. I'm still holding quite a bit. So I honestly think that this is definitely going to pump, guys. Harold's one of the coins that I've been looking at, and I'll literally show you on Dextrina how it looks. It literally looks amazing. So have a look here. My entry. Look at the entry though. I posted this on my Twitter. It's literally from my entry. We've done like a 16. It was like this was an 8x, and the highs were went to like 45 million, which is 16x. Absolutely crazy. So Harold absolutely ripped. Is it me or is the stream not working at all? Is the stream not working, guys? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. I'm not too sure. Looks like it's working on my side. Looks like it's working on my side. Anyway, so yeah, I think honestly, I think this is one of the coins that are going to do really well. It's ripped really hard. Literally, if you go to my Twitter, I posted it. I think it was like, I can't remember when it was, but I posted it quite a while ago. Yeah, also this coin, I'll show you this coin. I actually bought it last night. Yeah, here we go. Check here. Posted it at 3.2 million market cap, and it's at 25, which is crazy. So I do think it's going to hit 50, even to 100 mil. And if you're buying it at 25 mil, it should be good. It's working. Okay, cool. So honestly, Harold looking really nice, guys. Look to get some if you're interested. Looks like a good coin. All right. So basically, what I'm saying is all of these coins that I've been buying here, guys, are from wallets. Okay. Pretty much all the coins I've been buying over here are from wallets, and you can see like my win rate's actually decent. Like if you look at my profit and loss on these trades, right? These are all like 12 hours ago. These are all like 12 hours ago, and it's literally a retirement. This one was a weird one. Able, how annoying is this? So Able absolutely ripped. So this is cool. Have a look at this one. So I also found this in one of the wallets. I think yesterday. Have a look at this chart. I think it rips. I'm not too sure. Let's have a look. Oh no, it dumped back down. I think I got it in like. Oh no, chill. Never mind. So yeah, what I like to do is I like to go for like a 2x or 3x sometimes. Oh, there's one coin here. Have a look at this coin. This was crazy. So the one wallet bought it yesterday. Where is it? Oh, yeah. So this one actually got listed on Mexi this morning. But have a look. Check where I bought. So I bought over here. I bought over here around about 0.15, and then sold over here. So I literally I put. I mean, look how much I put in. I put $30. I put $30, and then I made 206. So it was like a 7x, and I could have held for even longer because it absolutely pumped. And it still looks good because it got listed on Mexi. I think that was the main reason. I got a good entry, and that was because of the wallets, guys. It was literally I followed those wallets, and the one that guy bought, he obviously knew something that I didn't know. And yeah, it actually started pumping. So I woke up this morning. If I put, imagine I put, $100 there, would be turned to 700 or like 1,000, 7,000. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, obviously they don't always go this way. So yeah, the nice thing about trading inside of wallets is most of the time they don't really trade rugs. These guys are actually, well, like the guys that I'm following, they actually don't really trade any rug pools. They're buying coins. Some coins are buying at like 1 mil, 5 mil, then even like a 22 mil going for a 2x. So these coins are actually decent coins that these guys are buying. Sometimes like the one coin I showed you now actually did really well. But he obviously knew something I didn't, right? So these guys know a lot more than us. You know what I mean? So there's no point in trying to compete them. Rather just follow what they're doing. I think it's the best way. I think it's the best way. I think it's the best way. So yeah, honestly, this coin over here as well. This is what most of these guys have been buying. I actually found 2 wallets. I actually bought some. I bought some around about here, and then I added more in this box over here. So my average cost is around about here. I do think that we're going to see quite a nice push over here for DGPU. Got a lot of nice volume, buy volume and sell volume pretty much even. We are at support. Potentially we get a bounce back up to here. We can just sell it off. But yeah, I'm expecting that this could do quite well. The Telegram is really active as well. So have a look at this coin over here. It's called DGPU. Hopefully we can get a push here. One of the insiders has been trading this a lot, which is very interesting. Market pump right now. Get ready to short. Let's have a look. All right. So remember what we were saying for Bitcoin. We'll come back to the meme coin stuff. But yeah, the guys, the wallets I've sent. If you guys did just join on YouTube, I did actually send wallets that I have been tracking. Give them a track. See if you guys want to try it out. I think they're really good wallets. Like their win rate's really high, and obviously they're trading with a lot of cash, so they know what they're doing. Anyway, so Bitcoin looking like it is starting to rip here. This is just the beginning of the 4-hour candle though, so we can't really say much. We are running into resistance over here. So let's see how we play it off here. Because right now, guys, we are currently on the bear side of things because we are looking at a really strong downtrend right now. But if we can actually just break this high over here, if we can just break this trend line over here on the 4-hour, probably even the 1-hour here, we're probably gonna come back up to this 97,100 level, right? Reason why the 97,100 level is important because that is the point of control for the whole range. So what that means is basically the most traded volume is sitting over there. People are sitting there and placing orders at that zone. They're placing some sell orders at that level, right? You can see over here, whenever we do tap this level, there is some type of reaction, even to the upside, right? We break it, we come back down, we test as support. So this 97,169 is a crazy level. As you can see to the left of here, guys, this is a strong level. So is there a possibility we come back up to that level? 100%. Is there a possibility that we come back and take out these highs and then get a dump afterwards? I do believe what's going to happen is that. So I believe what we're going to get is we're going to get a breakout over here. We try to take out these highs, and then we just get smacked all the way down. That is something that that's a good scenario, right? That's not a scenario that I'm looking at. And what would I do in order to take a position? Well, I would have to wait for a break of these highs, right? Because right now we're still bearish, right? We're still in this massive downtrend, right? Very evident we are coming down, right? So this over here can just be a fake out, trap all of these people going long, and then we just get this massive sell-off at the point of control. So that's something that I am looking at for Bitcoin. It's going to be quite interesting to see what plays out. I'm not too sure what is going to play out. It's just a theory, but that is something that I will be looking at. So I will be taking a buy if we can get a breakout over here, but we have to break these highs. We can break out and just fake out over here. We got to break these highs. We have to break those highs. So for now, it's just kind of a waiting game. You know what I mean? We can't really do much right now. We kind of just have to sit on our hands for Bitcoin. See what happens. But I think if we have a look at Forex Factory, there shouldn't be news today. It is New Year's. Yeah, so all good. Look, yeah, it's a bank holiday pretty much everywhere. Oh, Bitcoin is dumping. Sorry, pumping. Where's this coming from, man? It's just random. What is the time? It is 12:30 London session. I mean, yes. Bit of a pop, eh? Interesting. Yeah, so basically, game plan, just wait for price to break the highs, right? That's literally all I'm going to be waiting for. So, you know, can we take a trade now? No, it looks like it's in a pump, but, we have to break the highs. We're still in a downtrend. Can't do anything. So we're just going to wait. There must be some other setups that are, can you check XVG, of course. Let's have a look. There's probably some trades they're going to pop. There's probably going to be some trades that are going to pop here. Because if Bitcoin does get a breakout here, we are probably going to see a lot of coins absolutely start ripping. Yeah. Oh, this coin's looking juicy. I won't lie. Oh, okay. So I like the setup on this coin. You can see right now we are currently bullish. The reason why we are bullish is because we are creating higher highs and higher lows. So that's the first thing, right? First thing is we are in this uptrend. We are holding the trend line. So everything is looking like it could potentially get a rip here. And what I'm looking at here for XVG is, yeah, I mean, if you look at the lower time frame, we go on the 1 hour over here, we can see we're starting to get a bit of a push here, which is very interesting. So I'm gonna go down to the 30 minutes here to see. Yeah, I think this is looking good. The reason why I like this is because what's been happening here is we've been like accumulating, right? We've been accumulating at this level, and we just broke these highs. So this is looking really decent. XVG is looking very, very nice. I do think that we're going to see price most probably hit these highs. Definitely these highs probably today. So that would be a TP if I would go long on XVG. Looks really nice. I think that we have accumulated, we have broken out. Looks like a long is imminent. So it looks like a good setup. I would probably just put stops just below this low over here. Because like I said, for Bitcoin, the thing is, so it's a 3% stop. You're gonna have to go low leverage, like a 3x or a 5x. Yeah, because your stops are quite big. Yeah. The risk reward 1:8. If we do get like a Bitcoin pump, this thing can absolutely moon. So I guess this could just be a first TP and just go break even. Something like that. Looks really nice. Just go low leverage. Dylan, I have a new favor now. Please check out Gala. Yeah, sure. Pepe is looking good. The whole market seems to just be doing random shit. Yeah. Literally, bro. Literally. So I think this looks good. I mean, it did break out. It accumulated those lows. Honestly, looks good. Can you look at Pepe? And then I'll look at Gala as well. Yeah, sure. Actually, let's look at Pepe first. Oish. Wait. Yeah, I mean, so basically, this was the bar zone for Pepe, right? At these highs. We literally got a perfect retest of the highs, which is something, you do get, right? And it's exactly retested those highs, and we're getting a push. So Pepe is looking like, it's already up 6% on the day. Honestly, looks super nice. You are right. It does look good. And right now, we are coming into a strong resistance zone. So this is going to be interesting for Pepe, right? Why is this a strong resistance zone? Let's bring it back. Super strong, right? Reason why it's so strong is because we have reactions at this level, right? We have this whole time over here for about 3 days. Pepe was just parking and sitting over here. We broke out, we came actually back down, tapped these levels twice, closed just respecting, then we got a push, right? Same thing here. Closed below, retest, came down. That's another one, right? Came back up, retested, bang. Retested over here. Right now, we are currently retesting this level. So, is it valid to take a long now? Probably not. Why is it not valid? Because we had a really strong resistance, right? So you have to look at all these factors, right? The second thing is we go down to the 1 hour time frame. We see, okay, same level, same exact level here, guys. So what I want to see is like a 1 hour close above here, with a nice little chunk of volume. And then we can probably see if we can play this trade back up to these highs, around about a 10 to 15% trade. Is it something I'm probably going to look at? Yeah, probably I will. As is something I will post. I will post the setup if it does obviously break out, right? And we're gonna have to be super careful here because the reason why is because of Bitcoin, which it is breaking out right now, absolutely crazy. Uh, we can't be bullish on Bitcoin unless we break these highs. You know what I mean? So everything right now is at a resistance. You know what I mean? Bitcoin's at a resistance right now. Can we break these highs over here? You know, is that possible? Definitely is possible. But can we take longs until we break them? Of course not. You know. So let's go back to the heat map over here. I want to see what's happening. See if we go down to the even like the 12 hour. Let's have a look. All right. So we have levels. We have levels here. What is that? 95, 94, 900, 95K. All right. So let's go back to the chart quickly for Bitcoin and see where those levels are at. Yeah, I think we could see a fake out here, guys. Definitely something to watch out for. Just watch out for that. We could definitely see a fake out for Bitcoin because we do have those levels over here, right? And this is still on a downtrend, so this could just be a fake pump. I'm looking to short this level over here. You know what I mean? So let's see what happens. So even for the Pepe setup, just wait until we actually officially break this level, right? We have to close above this level, otherwise it's just going to be another fake out, right? You know what I mean? Right. So we got our alerts there for both Bitcoin and obviously Pepe. We need to check out Gala quickly. Let's have a look at Gala. All right. If we do have a look at Gala, we can see Gala, you're absolutely smashed. But it's looking quite decent, right? We are still holding that level for Gala. So as long as we do hold this little zone over here, from this low to actually this low over here. So basically, this is a key level for Gala. If we look at the 4 hour, we'll probably see that there's obviously a massive support over here. Definitely, yeah, there was that fake out. Same thing with Gala. They're all forming these patterns, guys. So just draw these on your charts. They're forming these downward sloping resistance levels. And basically, these are the levels when you start breaking for this actually to the bullish, right? So we're going to put another alert there for Gala, right? Because if we start breaking these highs for Gala over here, then potentially we can get a push. So it's the same thing with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin can break those highs at around about 95,400. Then we can definitely get a push a lot higher. So yeah, I mean that's what I'm looking at for the day, guys. And then also this coin that AI16Z. Hopefully we can get a pullback here, but this is something that probably won't happen. So it looks really, really strong. But if we do get a pullback, I will be buying it in this box at around about 0.9497. That is something that I'm looking at for the short term. Everything's kind of at support. What's the XRP up to? XRP did actually break down over here, but it's still holding that level. This is a good buy zone for XRP, guys. I'm just having a look at it, just scouting here. FTT has been doing super well. It broke out of this massive level. Yeah, it's come like 26%. Let's have a look at Bitcoin dominance quickly. See what's happening over here. All right, so if we look at Bitcoin dominance, we all know what Bitcoin dominance is by now, I'm pretty sure. So let's get straight into it. Obviously, still bearish, I guess. You know what I mean? So that was that key level, right? So Bitcoin dominance obviously broke it. Everyone was like, "Whoa, Bitcoin dominance!" We're going straight down here. And yeah, then what actually happened is we retest the level and actually closed respecting. So honestly, what I'm looking at is now, I think what's going to happen is we might get a fake top wick pump. So what I'm expecting is we don't have a top wick over here. We might potentially fall like 50% of this wick and then get a dump back down. So I do think that it's possible for altcoins to bleed a little bit more. But yeah, I think in the next couple of days or next weeks, the altcoins are going to pump really hard, right? Just based on the Bitcoin dominance chart here, we did break this downtrend. So just expect a top wick on the week, right? So expect that. That's all I'm saying. All I'm saying. All right. So yeah, there's not much else, guys. Honestly, I've just been. I'm back into trading right now. I've just been doing meme coins mainly, just because the market's been very dry for the market. Meme coins are always pumping, and there's always new things coming up. So, but I will be posting a lot more in Telegram. WIF and Under, of course, JTO and GOAT. Yeah, let's go over it. So I'm still long on WIF actually. I posted the setup yesterday, but I went like a 2x leverage. So what I'm actually doing is I took a long here, and then I'm waiting for WIF to actually come back down a little bit lower here at around about 1.5. Guys, WIF is definitely going to do really, really well, I think. So I think having some of this as a meme coin in your portfolio is something that to consider, right? Not saying that you should do it. I'm just saying that, yeah, it's a good token. We're still holding this low. Oi, I can't draw. We are still holding. Sorry, what happened there? There you go. We are still holding that low right over here. So yeah, I do think that even at this level right now, it's a good level. I am just gonna DC dollar cost average all the way down here, but I would look at getting some here just in case we get a rip. You know what I mean? So that's something that I went like a 2x leverage on this because the target is going to be around about 200%. So you're looking at a 400% gain, and if you just DCA down, it should be quite juicy. So yeah, I think WIF's looking really nice. What else is there under? All right, yeah. So yeah. Ondo is actually in a bar zone right now, I'll be honest with you. So Ondo is in a critical zone. And the reason why it's in a critical zone, this is your previous high. So like Pepe, it's pretty much retesting that level. Okay. So this is something to watch out for. I think Ondo's a good level here. Don't fade on this. We do have this little bit lower here. If we tap those lows, yeah, let's see. Let's see on the lower time frames, the daily. I want to see if we can potentially come down here. Obviously, right now, it's looking like most coins are forming that same downward sloping trend line over here. Doesn't have to be too exact right now because what we want is we just want to see a break of the highs. That's essentially how we're going to know. So, we want to break these highs, of course, in order for this to just continue. Or what we want to see is we want to see like something like a bit of a higher low form of structure, breaking these highs and then getting a push up like that, then forming a trend line on the bottom of the side. That is something that I'll be looking at for Ondo. So just watch out, guys. It's looking like the market wants to pump, but there's something that feels off about it. So I'm not too sure when we're going to see a potential breakout. But just be cautious on taking high leverage plays. Low leverage right now is going to be the play because the market is doing some weird things. So you're going to have to experience a bit of drawdown, of course. JTO, let's have a look at JTO. But honestly, like I said, guys, most coins are in such a good position right now to accumulate. They're back. They're down like 40 to 50%. We'll have a look at that just now again. I don't even know what I've done here for JTO. Let me just remove all the drawings here. All right. Yeah, I've drawn this line over here. Obviously, this is more significant. That's the weekly. Yeah, I don't like how. I don't know. Obviously, we are holding this low over here, which is